Hello, good evening everyone. I hope that you're all doing well. Okay, so before I proceed with my presentation, I would like to congratulate everyone for a job well done. So palakpakan naman natin yung sarili natin. Okay, so for this NSTP1 finals, nagkaroon tayo ng final project which is Christmas decoration or Christmas themed decorations out of recyclable materials. And it was a surprise na talagang ginalingan ng ating mga students. So with that, palakpakan po natin ng isa't isa. Okay, again, congratulations for a job well done. Okay, so what will happen tomorrow, December 16, at the new academic building? Okay, so this event is for all the first years NSTP student enrolled in school year 2023-2024. Okay, so what will happen? NSTP students will be given a privilege or the chance to choose one of the three components of the NSTP. Ano po yun? Ito po yung CWTS, which is the Civic Welfare Training Service. The other one is the LTS or the Literacy Training Service. And the last one is the MAS. Ano ba yung MAS? MAS stands for Military Arts Science Services. No, ito po yung dating tinatawag natin na ROTC. Kaso nakita natin na kulang siya ng arts and science. So we will empower also the youth leadership through MAS. Okay, so saan po ito mangyayari? Okay, it will happen in the new academic building. Your assigned room will be sent to you or will be communicated to you by your NSTP professor. Okay, so again, when December 16, 2023, Saturday, from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, there might be a question, Sir, paano po yan? Ang schedule po namin ng NSTP will be from 12 to 3 or 3 to 6. Okay, so good question. Okay, so if you can excuse yourselves na magpaalam sa teachers ninyo during that day, kung makakapasok kayo na maaga during 8 to 12, tomorrow, Saturday. So, much better. Bakit? Because this event, in filling up the registration form, it will only take you 5 to 10 minutes. Or maybe less than that. Okay, later on, I will discuss kung ano ba yung mga content at nilalaman ng inyong registration form. Okay, so how? So kindly follow these instructions. First, or step 1, okay, so students will be provided with a short video presentation from Cell4. Po yun, NSTP coordinator explaining the three program components of the National Service Training Program. Ito po yung video na ginagawa ko, which is later on I will provide to every student. Then step 2, students will proceed to their designated classroom with their professors. Okay, then step 3, students will fill out the form or the registration form. Okay, so you will be also assisted by your professor in filling up the form. So kung meron po yung questions or clarifications or there are some hesitation on what course or program to pursue on the next semester on the NSTP2, so feel free to approach your professors and even me, okay, through my social media account, or I will also be around if you have questions and clarification. Then step 4, students will double check if all the information required is properly filled out before submitting. So tingnan natin mabuti kung lahat ba ay na na-fill up natin bago i-submit kay professor. And once complied, once all the information is filled out and complete, so okay, so students may now go home kung wala na kayong class or may proceed to the next class if you have next class after the NSTP. Okay, so I hope malinaw. Okay, so let's discuss ano ba yung kailangan ninyong i-fill out na form. Okay, so ito yung kailangan nating i-fill out na form. Okay, so NSTP registration, kindly familiarize yourself para pagdating natin sa classroom is ma-minimize na natin yung question and answer. So, okay, first, kailangan nyo mag-fill out ng date. Ayan, December 16, 2023. Okay, so sa paglalagay ng pangalan, unahin ng surname. Okay, again, unahin ang apelido, first name, and then the middle initial, followed by your student number. Okay, the course, ikaw ba ay BSTM, CLM, BS Cream, etc. At kung anong section mo, 1A, 1B, 1C. And then the other one is the NSTP 1 class section. Okay, so you are provided with different Cavite heroes. Just like in my section, I was handling the Hugo Perez section, the Maximo Gregorio, and the Julian Felipe sections. Okay, so that will depend on the sections that you belong, provided by your professors. Okay, if you have doubts kung ano yung section ninyo, okay, you can communicate or you can clarify with your professors. Okay, then you have to choose the university. Okay, so we belong to the Dasmariñas campus. Okay, and then you will choose the program. Okay, based on the listed below. It's either CWTS, LTS, or the MAS. Okay, then makikita nyo rin dito, this is to certify that I have made this choice of my own free will. Ibig sabihin sa sarili mong kagustuhan at naiintindihan mo yung course na gusto mong i-pursue in the next semester. And then your printed name, then signature over it. Okay? Ayan. So, under the mask, there will be two options. The ROTC and COCC, which is, I will further discuss in the incoming slides. Okay, I hope malinaw. Okay, so with that, I will proceed. Ano nga ba yung civic welfare training services? Sabi dito, are you a young adult who is looking for a way to make a difference in your community? Do you want to develop your leadership skills and learn new skills that will benefit you in your future careers? If so, then the Civic Welfare Training Service is the perfect program for you. Ngayon, ano ba yung mga nangyayari or what are the programs na meron ang CWTS para natin masabi na ay dito ako, para ako dito sa CWTS. Now, let me share you some of the activities na ginawa namin last semesters in the Civic Welfare Training Services. Okay, so one of it is the tree planting activity. Okay, so with the help of the locals na nakatira dun sa community, okay, so yung aking mga students ay bumili sila ng mga seedlings, kalamansi, guyabano, and other fruit-bearing trees. So they find a specific location malapit sa kanilang community at doon sila nagtanim ng mga puno. Then the other activity is, kung mapapansin nyo dyan sa harap ng gate natin is malinis, bagong pintura. Ang responsible doon ay ang akin din mga NSTP students, which they have done yung community service. Okay, then the other one will be, yan, so barangay cleanup. So there are times na nagkakaroon tayo ng community cleanup or the barangay cleanups sa ating iba't ibang mga barangay. Okay, so in this opportunity, we are given a chance na makatrabaho yung mga locals in the community. At the same time, we are also recognized with the effort and hard work na ginawa natin. Katulad dito, binigyan kami ng certificate. So, dagdag din yan sa mga credentials. Pero at the end of the day, ang kagustuhan natin na makatulong sa kapwa ang mangingibabaw, that we are able to make a difference. Okay, then the next one will be the literacy training services. Okay, so ano nga ba to? Are you a young adult who is passionate about education and helping others? Do you want to make a difference in the lives of children and adults who are struggling to read and write? If so, then the literacy training program service is the perfect program for you. Okay, so I highly encourage again all the general education student, the BPED, BCHED, and BSED to pursue this LTS program. Bakit? Kasi it is aligned to the course that you have chosen. In fact, meron tayong Memorandum of Agreement that happened last November 2023 where our school was partnered with the New Era Elementary School. Dito lang yan sa katabi natin, malapit sa may mga iglesia community. Okay? So anong meron? Nagpapadala ang school natin doon ng mga students, general education students from the College of Education para magturong bumasa at sumulat sa mga bata doon. Okay? So, to share also, before mag-start yung classes this semester, we are also there to help sa Brigada Eskwela. So, tumulong tayo kasama yung ating mga NSTP students na magpintura ng mga classrooms at saka maglinis doon sa New Era elementary school. Okay? So, yun yung mga mostly mangyari sa LTS. So, tuturuan nyo silang bumasa at sumulat. Okay. So then the other one, ito the last one but not the least, is the military arts, science, and services. So wag malito. Okay. So ang alam kasi natin is ROTC. Okay. So again, so dinagdagan natin ng arts and science. Okay. So sabi dito, are you a driven and ambitious young adult who is looking for a challenge? Mahilig ka ba sa mga challenge? Are you up for a challenge? Do you want to develop your leadership skill and make a difference in the world? If so, then MAS is the perfect program for you. Okay, ano bang mga meron dito sa MAS? What to expect in MAS? Okay, so next semester magkakaroon tayo ng 18 weeks. It will be more on classroom discussion, empowering your youth leadership and self-awareness. Tuturuan kayo dito ng iba't ibang skills na pakikinabangan nyo hindi lang dito sa school but also outside of our school. We will also teach you about the weapon mastery. Okay, ano to? Dismantling, ibig sabihin kung paano magkalas-kalas. Ano ba yung parts by parts at paano gumagana yung baril. Okay, so, syempre, pag kinalas natin, we should also learn how to assemble. Kung paano natin pinaghiwa-hiwalay, so matututunan din natin kung paano to ibalik into a functioning one. Okay, then we will be also given a chance na magpaputok ng live fire. Okay, dun sa dadalhin natin kayo sa camp at magpapaputok tayo ng live fire. Are you excited with that? Okay, so I hope kasi that was really exciting. At yan din yung mga inaabangan ko when I was a cadet nung sumali ako sa ROTC before. Okay, so there will be also minimal parades. Okay, according to the instructor that will be assigned to you from the AFP. Okay, so more on classroom discussion ang mangyayari for the ROTC, for this MAS. Okay, then there will be chance na siguro 3 meetings na lalabas kayo sa field. Ayan, to feel the sunlight, to go on marching and parade. Okay, so there will be 3 meetings out of those 18 weeks. So talagang konting-konti lang. Bakit? Kasi ayun nga, isisingit yan yung pag-aaral nyo sa weapon mastery. History ng kung bakit nagkaroon ng MAS. Ayan. At saka yung leadership at saka youth empowerment. Okay. So, minimal formation and parades and no haircut required for female. Bakit? Kasi marami kasing students natin, especially yung female, gusto sana nilang mag-MAS or ROTC kaso ayaw nilang ipaputol yung kanilang mga buhok. Lalo na kung magaganda yung mga buhok. No. Okay, so again, dito hindi nyo kailangan putulin, hindi nyo kailangan ng haircut. Okay, kailangan nyo lang is i-ponytail. Okay, kailangan yung i-ponytail yung inyong buhok. Tapos lalagyan ng hairnet. Again, okay, ipo-ponytail tapos lalagyan ng hairnet. Sir, paano naman po sa mga male? Okay, sa mga male naman, kailangan nyo, hindi nyo naman kailangan ng army cut. Okay, for as long as clean cut. Okay, so paano ba yung clean cut? It could be 2x3. Okay, so 2 and 3 sa likod. Okay, for as long as clean cut. Okay, so bawal yung mga hikaw, so kailangan yung tanggalin during the class, which is also implemented din naman dito sa school. So it's not hard to follow that one. Okay, so these are some of the things that you are about to expect. Ngayon, what are the exciting part about the MAS? Now, if you are a student enrolled in MAS, you will be given also a chance or the privilege to join yung ating PCU Colors Cadet. Okay, if you are a graduate of PCU, okay, so especially the senior high school or junior high school, so nagkakaroon tayo ng graduation. Okay, so binibigyan ng chance yung ating mga PCU Colors to perform in the memorable events. Okay, so just try to imagine that all lights will be turned off and all eyes will be on you. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng tao is nakatingin sa inyo habang nag-march kayo. So, poging-pogi at ang gaganda nyo tignan during that time. Okay, so tuturuan namin kayo in how to handle flags, how to handle yung weapon, how to handle yung swords, ayan, and marching and formation. Okay, so anong bang maganda niyan? Madi-develop yung inyong discipline, which is kailangan nyo kahit saan kayo makarating. Okay, so then the other one that you must be excited is about yung ating COCC. The Philippine Christian University is proud to announce the opening of the leadership programs in the context of military management to cadet officer candidate course. Okay, so we are uh, encouraging everyone to join the COCC to ignite your leadership journey. Okay, so it is volunteerism. Hindi po ito sa pilitan. Kung sino lang talaga yung gusto mag-volunteer. Sir, paano yan? Hindi naman ako nagmas. Ako ay CWTS. Ako ay LTS. Pwede po ba akong sumali sa COCC? At ano po ba yung pinagkaiba ng COCC sa ROTC? Meron po ba? Magandang tanong. Okay, so regardless of the program, kahit ikaw ay CWTS ang kinuha mo ngayong second sem, or ikaw ay kumuha ng LTS or MAS, you are welcome to join the COCC. Ano yung pinagkaiba ng COCC sa ROTC? Okay, so kung ang ROTC is not rigid yung training nila, so there will be 3 meetings lang nalalabas sa field para mag-formation at to feel yung sunlight. Sa COCC is much rigid. Ibig sabihin, mas marami na yung mga trainings nito on the field and outside. Pero mas higher din yung level ng kanyang leadership program. Okay? So, magkakaroon ka din dito ng ranks at there will be different benefits. Okay, so I would like you to grab the chance to feel kasi bakit? Bibigyan pa namin kayo ng 3 meetings. Makinig mabuti. 3 meetings. So you will be given a chance to feel o get to feel kung ano yung mga course na pipiliin nyo ngayon. For example, pinili nyo yung MAS. Meron kayong 3 meetings to decide. On the third meeting, ay, ang ganda pala na itong MAS. Ito yung para sa akin. So you can continue. Okay, ngayon, sa tingin mo ay medyo challenging for you. Okay, so you will be given a chance na lumipat sa CWTS. Again, okay, so ang importante dito, this will be on your own free will. Bakit? Because according to the law nga, you must be given a chance or the privilege to choose one of these 3 program components. Okay, so if you still have further questions and clarifications, your teachers or professors in NSCP will be there to assist you. And even ako, I will also be around to assist any questions and clarifications. So again, thank you for listening and see you on this breakout event that was themed again. Ayan, navigate your impact and STP breakout. Choose your path, discover your role, and embrace your mission. Thank you and good evening, everyone.